In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a free hosting account and upload your website with cuteFTP software. First of all, download this software from this location. I have already downloaded this software and installed. So you complete this step first. Now you can easily get this software from this location. Now this is cuteFTP version 9.3.0 and this is the download, but just click on it and download the software. Next step is to create the free hosting account in any free hosting server. You can choose any hosting server. I have selected here infinityfree.net. So go to this server. From this site, you can easily create a free hosting account. So click on the sign up now button or register button. So I am clicking here. And set your email address here. Set your hosting account password. Now check your email address for the email confirmation. Okay. If you don't get the mail in your inbox, then you must check your spam folder for the mail. You can see the confirmation email is arrived here. So just click on the confirm your email address. So your account is open, and next step, we can go for the next step. Log into the server and create a free domain for your website. First of all, I will show you which local website I want to upload in my hosting server. And this is my site, localhost Dream Builders, and it is running from Jam server. So now I want to create a domain for this to upload this website. So go to create the new account and search for a free domain here. Suppose my domain will be dreambuilder.epg.com. Okay, our new domain is set and domain name is dreambuilderrpg.com. So first of all, I will open a notepad to store my hosting information. Domain, okay. Now open control panel and go for the next step. Check your email address and save your hosting account detail related data. Now it is redirecting to my cPanel, and if I check and from the server just click I approve. To do this step 4, you can also get the data from your hosting side. So I will use this option. So go to the client area to get the hosting related all information. Click on manage account. From here you can retrieve the password. So this is my username. This is the password. And this is the FTP host name. Username password are same for the FTP host name, and port number is 21. Now go for the step 5. Create a database and import the database file of your website. So go to the side and go to the control panel and from here click on MySQL databases and create the database here. My database name will be username _ real estate. Okay, our database is created. Now I will go to the PHP admin page. This is PHP my admin and connect now. Okay, this is our database server name, so you have to store this information also. So copy this one and save it here. MySQL server. And this is the database name. Now go for the next step or next task. Import the database file of your website. So import the SQL file from here. MySQL file. Go. Okay, now check the structure of the database. There are two tables, property and user. Now go for the next step, step 6. Save the database information, which I have all stored FTP and database information in username and password. Now save the file. Hosting. Okay. Now step 7, open cuteFTP and select the local and hosting server folder. I have already installed the FTP before, so I will open it now. Now connect with your FTP server. The information is here. Host name is ftpupload.net. Just set it here. The username is ppage. The code, copy, and this is the username, and this is the password. Now click on the connect button. Okay, it is already connected with your server. Now which folder you want to upload, just go to that location. C, gem, htdocs, and our project is Dream Builder. So I want to upload this full content of. Now upload the all contents of Dream Builder to your htdocs folder. So click on the htdocs folder and click on Dream Builder and select all files and folder of this directory. And now upload. Here you have to wait for some time to complete the upload task. Okay, now our upload is fully completed. Now I can go for the next step. Step 8. Upload your website content, which is already uploaded. And step 9, correct the database connection. Okay, now go to your server and click on the online file manager and click on htdocs. Now you can see your uploaded folders and contents, and from here open your database connection file, and my database connection file name is database.php. Just click on edit link, and from here replace these local connection values by hosting value. First of all, database server name, just replace the local host with hosting server MySQL server value. Next, username, which is this one. Password, and database name. Okay, now save the file and go for the next step. Now your site will be approximately ready for the view, so you can test the site now with your domain address. So the domain address is dreambuilderepc.com. So copy this link and open here and check the site is working or not. You can see the site is working from the hosting server. This was our local server, and this is the hosting server, and looks are the similar. In this way you can easily upload your any website project to free hosting server and test the looks of the real hosting. Thank you for watching.